Being able to create consistency from job to job, from ink to ink, is incredibly important.
The demand here in the United States, the way I gather it, being in the printing industry for some 30 some odd years, is very demanding. The reason we decided on SOMA, we were looking at ways to be more efficient, be it make ready, be it speeds, be it print quality, splicing on the fly, quality for the customer.
I could tell that it was definitely something unique. The size of the press was unique, the look of the press was unique, the speeds in which it was able to accomplish were unique, the application was unique.
Because we are a smaller printing company, the time savings we get on the SOMA allows us to be more competitive in the printing industry. The way the Optima² runs, with its automated impression system, it achieves a kiss impression, which it can hold through the entire press run through 500 feet a minute to 1640 feet a minute.
The SOMA press is so much simpler and easier to run than our old antiquated equipment. I can load and unload print cylinders in a matter of minutes. As for setting print and register, use the A run, and as long as color is on, we can be up and running good product with a matter of minutes.
SOMA comes up and register immediately. You set the A run, and by the time you hit the button and take off running, you're in register. You're running sellable product immediately.
The most impressive thing about SOMA's automated registration impression system is that you can pull up with almost zero waste. The plate mounter has the ability to tell the plate if it's a screen, if it's a line, or if it's a solid. And each one of those settings tells the press how much pressure to put on each sleeve.
It's a very reliable and consistent machine, down from the very large parts down to the smaller parts. Pull up in registration, but you also pull up on color. You also pull up with a product that you're confident with.
We currently mount with a pin mounting system. It's an older way to mount, it's not as accurate. The A-run system allows us to mount by microdots, put it in the press, pull up to perfect register. The slitter was purchased because some of the products we run need to run very fast and need to have quicker make-readies. Plus, the price advantage of buying all three elements was there. We were asking questions on the press and coming up with prices. They were very honest with everything. There was no waiting, there was no hesitation. It was perfectly seamless, and it was a very good collaborative effort between both companies to get it to the point of they spec'd out a press that we wanted.
Right after we started the install at Bomarko, the pandemic hit, and it created challenges that we had to overcome to make sure that the install got completed and they got up and running as soon as possible.
The installation process with SOMA began, then about a month and a half later, pandemic hit. Everyone had to leave. 2 weeks after that, maybe even a week after that, phone calls started transpiring, and they got folks back over here. Whatever they had to do, they were getting people here to finish the completion of the install of the press.
At SOMA, we understand it takes more than hard work to overcome challenges. However, hard work makes you ready. And what we've learned over the last year is that we can overcome challenges by collaboration, communication, and working together.
Bomarko, just like every other printing company in the United States, expects and demands high-quality customer support. SOMA understands this, and I feel like we'll be taken care of for years to come.